I started now.
Okay.
So it's Sir Ryan O'Neill Knight here from the Detailing Knights with one of our past customers that we stopped by to get some feedback from, Mo. So first, Mo, do you remember the first reason why you used the Detailing Knights?
Absolutely, yes. My neighbor was having his car done last year, and was such an impressive job, and there was no water used whatsoever, so that was appealing to myself. So that was the reason why I wanted to get it done, and that's why I contacted Detailing Knights.
Cool. And how would you describe Detailing Knights to a friend?
I would say they're very professional. They're timely. I mean, you can see the car. It's amazing. It's beautifully done. Most importantly is that there's passion about the work that's being done, and there's that service where you can connect with the customer on a one-on-one basis, and I think that's the most valuable sort of commodity that you cannot find. It's not tangible, but it's the most valuable, absolutely. And Sir Ryan, you got that. So I wish you all the best.
And so for me, like, feedback is always important. What's one thing that we could definitely work on going forward in the future?
Just the timeliness of it all, maintaining that going forward as well. And you know, I know you're already growing big. I've been hearing about you myself, so happy that I was able to get that experience.
Right.
Happy that my car is clean now, and I wish you all the best.
Wicked. And so for the youth that we work with, we run entrepreneur boot camps trying to get high school students interested in entrepreneurship. What's one piece of advice you'd give to like a younger version of you that wanted to start their own business?
Absolutely. Always put yourself in that customer's shoes. If you do not do that, you won't be able to see it from their perspective. And success is to be able to see it from your customer's perspective. So if you always try to use that as the foundation, you will have the answer, and then you'll have what you want to go after. So just put yourself in your customer's shoes.
Wicked. Thanks so much.
My pleasure.